Drinking tea after meals can be a common practice and is enjoyed by many people, but whether it's good or not depends on various factors, including your individual preferences and how your body reacts to it. Here are some considerations. In today's video, we're diving into some eye-opening facts about why drinking tea after meals might not be the best idea. You won't want to miss these unexpected insights, so hit that like button and subscribe for more intriguing information like this. Let's get started. 1. Iron absorption interference. Tea contains compounds known as tannins, which can hinder the absorption of non-heme iron, the type of iron found in plant-based foods. This interference may prevent your body from effectively utilizing the iron from your meal, potentially leading to iron deficiency anemia over time. 2. Digestive enzyme disturbance. Tea can disrupt the activity of digestive enzymes like amylase and pepsin. These enzymes are essential for breaking down carbohydrates and proteins in your food. When their function is impaired, it could result in inefficient digestion and related discomfort, such as bloating and gas. 3. Acid reflux aggravation. For individuals prone to acid reflux or heartburn, drinking tea, especially if it's caffeinated, can relax the lower esophageal sphincter. This muscle is responsible for preventing stomach acid from flowing back into the esophagus. As it relaxes, it can allow stomach acid to splash into the esophagus, causing or worsening heartburn. 4. Caffeine effects. Caffeine, a common component of many teas, can act as a stimulant. Consuming caffeinated tea after a meal, especially in the evening, can interfere with your ability to fall asleep and get a good night's rest. This can leave you feeling restless or sleep deprived. 5. Tannin troubles. The tannins in tea contribute to its astringency, which can create a sensation of dryness in the mouth. This dry feeling may not be the most enjoyable experience after a meal, as it might interfere with the natural salivation process necessary for proper digestion. So, while tea is undoubtedly a delightful beverage, it's essential to be mindful of its potential impact when consumed immediately after a meal. It's not to say that you should completely avoid tea after meals, but understanding these factors allows you to make informed choices based on your individual preferences and health considerations. If you found this information enlightening, please like this video and subscribe for more intriguing insights. Thanks for tuning in.